My name is Patrick Murphy. I live in Boulder. Perhaps you've heard the Muni is a failure and will continue to fail for many reasons, none of which were or are caused by Excel or the PUC. Good intentions have been trashed by the Muni effort that has been illogical, deceitful, over-optimistic, and riddled with propaganda to fool the public. Here is a far more fact and logic-based estimate of what the true costs have been and will be. Remember when Boulder estimated separation would be 15 million instead of well over 100 million? Do you remember when we estimated stranded costs to be zero instead of closer to 300 million? Do you remember when going concern was estimated to also be zero instead of the much more likely 200 million? Many of you and Muni supporters sold the Muni to Boulder based on these horrible mistakes. The Municorn evolved to a Municon that is now clearly a Moneycon. Now you want to remove the price and rate restrictions that you once so proudly touted as off-ramp security, and you even want off-ramp discussions to be prohibited in your secret sessions. You're starting to look a lot like evil incarnate. Muni supporters in letters to the editor suggest that the Boulder sheep who can't cope with critical review of the Muni just stay the course. To the rest of us, that translates to stay the curse. It's time for Boulder to challenge the Muni and quit blaming all our mistakes on others, like the Cheeto in charge has a tendency to do. The facts need to come out of hiding. Here are over 30 videos that document the Muni facts and flaws that supporters are blind to. Let that URL sink in. tinyurl.com/BoulderMuni. Then think about solar incentives, wind incentives, and a REX broker.